Hi people, a few parcels to unbox, and basically I was going to unbox them, but I thought I'd rather unbox them on the camera since I'm a YouTuber now, innit? One of them was sent to me, the others I actually went out my way and bought them myself. Now I'm broke. Oh. First box. Well, we got some Off-White. Wonderful, pretty standard. What happened to the bag? Mashed it up, mate. I want a refund. I actually like this piece. We got some more Off-White Champion to add. Again, you guys have seen this legit a million times on my channel. If you've been here from the start, shout out to the notification gang. X on the back, some stripes on it. That's about it, mate. Size XL, because it's got this really booky crop. Yeah, first cut. Cost me 400 quid. Second package up, we have actually got from G-Star Raw. Shout out to G-Star, they actually sent me this. They say, hey Ari, we hope you like your new jeans. Thanks, mate. No worries. Just these jeans, really cool, great quality, la la la, all that good stuff. Next package we got from End. Ow! Ow! Ah, just get myself a paper cut, bruh. This unboxing. People, next package again, we've got another Off-White piece. Oh yeah, Ari, this hoodie looks sick, man. Yeah. What is this? Whose idea was this? What am I, a Flappy Bird or something? Raven. What is this? I literally look like Professor Snape.
Snape, 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 Severus Snape.
Alright lads, my teeth are in a bad way. That teeth whitening stuff that all those like Instagram models and stuff are always promoting. I thought, listen, I might as well give it a go. If it works, it works. If it doesn't, it doesn't. So what I'm gonna do with this, like, just over the time, like I'll just give you like checkups, like within like the next 6 months or however long. I've never read the instructions. I'm just gonna see if it actually does any difference. So yeah, anyway, I'm leaving. I'm gonna go and do a mad shoot. Ride with me. My girlfriend's picking up some Off-White Jordans, the white ones. So yeah, ride with me. It should be a swag day, and I'll see you in a bit. Okay. Okay.
A few inches later.
Yo people, we are now in central London, Selfridges. What are we wearing today? We got Fall Winter 17 BOGO. We got the Louis Vuitton Supreme bag, hit on the joggers, Gucci way, and then we got the new Supreme Vans. Fire, pass me this. So, with my boy Calamine today, he's gonna sell me this hoodie, because I've got the Vans, and I need the hoodie for a fit, so I'm gonna buy that hoodie off him. Retail swag hoodie. And yeah, we're basically walking to Selfridges right now. I've got a few bits that I wanna pick up. There's like this Bape jacket that I've got on hold, and some like Yeezy Calabasas thing as well that I'm gonna buy. And also I'm picking up more Supreme Louis Vuitton, like at the end of the day. My girl's picking up, she won the Off-White Jordans, so there's loads going on, we have to shoot, loads going on, stick with me, should be a sick day.
Ocean.
So lucky. They won the Off-White Jordan. Let's see them, let's see them. In the 3.5, so it's like the smallest size you can get, like legit, like at all.
Ooh. Oh, biggest out.
Oh my god.
How nice are they?
Bro, they're actually sick.
It's tiny.
Bro, look how small they are. Babe, you actually have to keep these, I'm not joking you. Legit, I actually got her to 10K in 1 week. So Instagram basically deleted her account, which is a complete and utter L. She like just hit 20K, and she rings me up, she's like, my account's gone, my account's gone. I was like, what do you mean your account is gone? Legit, Instagram deleted her account for apparently violating terms. So yeah, everyone go and make sure you follow Bae, Natty now, the new HYPEBEAST chick on the block. Okay, so right now I actually ordered a few bits already. I ordered this Bape bomber jacket, it's actually sick. So we're gonna go and collect it right now. And I got this Yeezy Calabasas crew neck. so I can do an outfit with that, with like Yeezys or whatever, some hyped outfit for the gram. Make sure you're following the gram at HYPEBEAST. If you're not following the Instagram, I don't know what you're doing with your life, make sure you follow at HYPEBEAST, link down below. Oh, check it, some suitcases. You might be wondering, people, what are the suitcases about? Okay, so the reason is I am coming to the next SneakerCon in America, not in the UK. Man's the UK's biggest hype beast, but he's about to be world's biggest hype beast. Okay, listen here. We are coming to the San Francisco Bay Area SneakerCon. So yeah, your boy will be there. I'm not sure whether I should like bring some merch or something. I've never done merch before, okay? And I was announcing it recently that I'm gonna get some US exclusive ones with this pop-up store. But they kind of screwed me over, so we'll forget about that. But yeah, it is 100% confirmed. My flights are booked. I'm gonna be at the Bay Area SneakerCon, so make sure you come and see your boy. It should be absolutely lit. And yeah, I'm gonna get to meet all the YouTube guys as well. Like, I've never really met them, obviously, because I'm like kind of the only one from the UK. So yeah, it should be really, really cool. And yeah, just wanted to announce that to you guys. Your boy is gonna be at most SneakerCons from now on. Okay, so I just picked up my bits. I got a Bape jacket, which I'll show you in a sec, and I got this Yeezy Calabasas thing. It's quite cool. I'm gonna show you right now. Here, look. Bape bomber jacket. It's actually sick, I reckon. Should be good for a fit. I'll make it look really swag. But yeah, that's the first part. It was like £700 or something. Allow that. I don't think it's really worth £700, to be honest. The second thing we got is Yeezy Calabasas. I've actually wanted this for quite a while. I'm not sure if I've even got my right size. Yeah, that was those two bits. They're kind of cool. They're nothing like amazing. Obviously, I gotta keep that Instagram content flowing. Always have to make the latest content for you guys. So yeah, that's the only reason I'm always buying stuff. It's pretty much for you guys and pretty much for like IG and la la la. So yeah, content's always lit. But what we're gonna go and do now is meet up with Ben McLean, photographer and full-time moron, who's always late. And yeah, we're gonna go and meet up with him and shoot and get some flames for the Instagram. This is food. This is not real going on. Yeah, it is completely fake. That bag doesn't even exist. But seriously, like, if you have the money to be in Louis Vuitton, like that girl was in Louis Vuitton buying like Louis Vuitton. Why the hell are you wearing fake Goya? Like, it makes no sense to me. Like, it literally just makes no sense. There's so much here in Louis Vuitton. Yeah, ball it. Look what I got, guys. Yeah, orange ones match your grey and orange. Ooh, the flames. Check the flames in there, lads. Woo! The real reason we're in Louis Vuitton is because I want a box for this. Like, I bought it without the box, so what I need to do is, I told them basically like I moved house and I lost it. Can you give me another box? And in Louis Vuitton they will, because obviously they know that you're spending a lot of money. So yeah, they're just gonna give me a replacement box, and yeah, sick. Oh, how sick is this hoodie? Shout out to a man like Calamine, sold it for me for retail price, retail gang.
And for retail, of course, retail boys.
Yeah, I'm about to shoot this hoodie on this rooftop in London, absolutely flames. I'm gonna pop up the picture here. By the time you watch this vlog, I'll probably have posted it. This is the second fit. It's getting really dark now, but like, look at this sunlight. And obviously when Ben takes the pic, he can make like the sun go crazy with all his editing skills. But yeah, we're shooting this off-white right here. Off-white champion, you know the drill, showed it to you earlier. But yeah, again, we're not too far. The Shard is there. And yeah, we're basically on the River Thames in the middle of London. Always for the content, we're always going to like mad places to try and get the sickest IG content for you lot. And also it's like cool vlogs. Let me know if you want to see more vlogs as well, like just my kind of my daily life, because sometimes I don't feel like just showing you like a regular day, because it might not be entertaining for you. Sometimes I like doing those videos at my house, like just trying to make you guys laugh and just messing around and acting like a twat. But yeah, if you want to see more vlogs of me like every day, just going around taking shoots, la la la, then let me know. Okay, so we're back in Selfridges again, basically my second home. These are what we're going for right here. They're not letting me film, obviously, but we're gonna try and film. 700 quid, too broke. Obviously we're too broke to afford it, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try them on and then run out the shop. Fattest L, they were sold out. Go! Meeting number 2. Feel free to screenshot and put your logo on Facebook group.
One eternity later.
Check it, just caught. Now we're Swagway. Doesn't fit me, bro. No, it doesn't. Look, 15k it fit. And then look, we got the matching bag. Hold on. We've got a card holder. Check the swag. You're gonna sell me this jacket for retail, 2.7k. Absolute legend. Shout out to the plug. Cheers, mate. 2.7. What was retail on it? I think it was like 3.6. Yeah. Okay, so when I was in the line for Supreme Louis Vuitton, I was actually first, and they only had 5 jackets. I left it in the shop.
I left it in the shop.
I didn't even think to buy it. Like,
he was first, I was third.
I literally didn't even think to buy it.
I left it in the shop.
Yeah, shout out to Alex selling it to me for retail. Retail gang. Insert the meme.
And for retail, of course, retail boys.
Yo, this is actually sick. Look, with the matching bag, 2 swag, card holder weight. Oh, whoa. Rich geezer, look. Fucking rich geezer. Okay, now, but for real, the homie Alex hooked it up. He sold me this the Louis Vuitton card holder, so then I can, you know, rock it with the bag. I'm just weird like that. Look, it just looks sick. So yeah, I posted it up somewhere like, yeah, I want to buy this card holder. Next day, the geezer sold it to me. Absolute legend. But yes, now I've got the Goyard one for whenever I'm wearing the Goyard bag, and the Louis Vuitton Supreme one whenever I'm wearing Louis Vuitton Supreme. Swag. Shout out to the geezer. I've given him this jacket back. I should have just run off of it, to be honest. Made 10k. Yo people, I actually forgot to outro that video, so sorry about that. But it's a few days later. I've been super ill, like for like 4 days in a row now. I've just been in bed non-stop. You might hear it in my voice still. I sound like an actual toad. But I thought I might as well just unbox this for you real quick. It is one of my Supreme orders, so I'm just gonna unbox it real quick, then I'm gonna finish off this video. Sure, this is like my week 1 Supreme order. Like guys, we're in like week 4 is coming up. So yeah, I'm pretty sure this is my week 1 order. We have a jellyfish t-shirt, swag, some boxes that I needed. We have another one of those Pack Nova lights. If you actually want to buy this from me, it's one of these. I actually already have one. It's actually super sick. They like light up in the dark and all that. If you actually want one, I'll be selling all my stuff exclusively on the app Bump. So make sure you go and download the app Bump. I'll put the link here and I'll put the link down below. So make sure you go and do that. And yeah, one of you lucky guys can buy this off me. Also, another pair of work gloves. Again, I'll be selling these on the app Bump because I already have a pair somewhere. So yeah, again, download the app Bump. One more thing, we have a key ring. Again, I already have this key ring. Where is it? No, I don't. I am not selling this. My girlfriend stole it off me. So that's that. And some stickers and some poppy seeds. Guys, somehow I've managed to find more packages. So again, I might as well just unbox them for you guys before this video ends. This is actually gonna end up such a super long video. But yo, this is actually sick. I bought this from Famous Grail. Shout out to Famous Grail. It's like a Bape calendar, 2018 calendar. So obviously it's gonna go on my desk. And yeah, I'll just flick through the months. Bape calendar, super sick. Never saw one before. So as soon as I saw this, I was like, might as well pick it up. And then again, I have one more package. I'm pretty sure this is Bape again. So a lot of Bape in this video. Okay guys, yo, so yeah, we got another 2 Bape t-shirts today. Shark t-shirts in the mail. This one's super sick. It's like black with a red shark. And this one is purple with a grey shark. I don't remember ordering this one. Yeah, this one is a red Bape shark. I always get 2XL because Bape's made for like the Japanese people, and obviously Japanese people are quite small. So yeah, I always get a massive size, double XL. Brand new, straight from Japan. Super sick t-shirt. This is the black one. Anyway guys, that is the end of the video. I really hope you enjoyed it. We picked up so much stuff this week. We got week 1 Supreme. We got Bape straight from Japan. We got a Bape calendar. We got Off-White. We got Yeezy stuff, Calabasas stuff. We got Supreme Louis Vuitton. We got that Supreme hoodie off Callum. We copped so much stuff this week. I spent so much money this week. Now I'm broke, as per usual. But anyway, that's always what we do on this channel. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Make sure you subscribe right now. Turn on that little notification bell as well so you never miss an upload. Make sure you follow me on Instagram as well, at HYPEBEAST. Peace out, and I'll see you in the next one. I'll see you in a bit, geezers. Goodbye.